Waterways are the lifeblood of our landscapes. They shape our environment, sustain native wildlife, and are beautiful places for people to come together and connect with nature. Across Australia, many of our waterways are in a serious state of decline, with high nutrient levels fueling toxic algal blooms, eroded riverbanks, and a lack of riparian vegetation. As a result, the water flowing into our bays and oceans is often heavily polluted, threatening our environment and marine life. Welcome to GeoCatch's stream restoration video series, where we'll walk you through the essential steps for revitalising and restoring the precious waterways on your property. We'll break down the two key stages, fencing and revegetation, into manageable steps. Fencing will provide protection for vegetation and is essential for landholders who run cattle and sheep on their properties. When stock have access to waterways, they damage the existing bush, compact the riverbanks, and contaminate water with dung and urine. Once fencing is in place, planting local native seedlings along your waterway will help to re-establish soil structure, reduce weeds, and provide vital habitat for native wildlife. In this series, we will cover goal setting and planning, key considerations for fencing, how to construct a box strut, and then for revegetation, we will cover site preparation, the key steps you can take on planting day, how to select tree guards, and the easy to forget step of ongoing maintenance. Let's dive into how you can make a real difference restoring our waterways one step at a time.